morning in Paris, the city awakes to the bells of Notre Dame. A fisherman fishes, the baker man bakes to the bells of Notre Dame. To the big bells as loud as the thunder, to the little bells soft as a song. And some say the soul of the city is the toll of the bells of Notre Dame. Listen, they are beautiful, you know. So many colors of sound, so many changing moods. Because you know, they do not ring all by themselves. They don't? Oh, you silly boy. Up there, high up in the dark bell tower, lives the mysterious bell ringer. And Clopin will tell you, it is a tale of a man and a monster. Dark was the night when our tale was begun on the rocks near Notre Dame. Surely you will be spotted. All frightened gypsies slid silently under the rocks near Notre Dame. For a trap had been laid for the gypsies, and they gazed up in fear and alarm at a figure whose clutches were iron as much as the bells of Notre Dame. Judge Claude Frollo longed to purge the world of vice and sin, and he saw corruption everywhere except within. Bring these gypsy vermin to the palace of justice. You there, what are you hiding? Stolen goods, no doubt. Take them from her. She ran. Sanctuary, she cried. Please give us sanctuary.
Monster! Stop!
Cried the Archdeacon.
This is an unholy demon. I'm sending it back to hell where it belongs. I am guiltless. She ran, I pursued. My conscience is clear.
And for one time in his life of power and control, Frollo felt a twinge of fear for his immortal soul.
What must I do?
Care for that child. Raise it as your own.
What? I'm to be saddled with this misshapen? Very well. But let him live with you in your church.
Live here? Where?
Anywhere. Just so he's kept locked away where no one else can see. The bell tower, perhaps. And who knows? Our Lord works in mysterious ways. Even this foul creature may yet prove one day to be of use to me.
And Frollo gave the child a cruel name, a name that means half-formed, Quasimodo. Now here is a riddle to guess if you can sing the bells of Notre Dame. Who is the monster and who is the man? Sing the bells